This is Build Smart with me, Will Martin, and today we're putting Procore and AI automation head to head with superintendents like you out in the field. We're going to see who can do the job flow better and who can work faster. So, round one, daily reports. Everybody has to do a daily report. Superintendents, you're spending 30 to 45 minutes a day on these daily reports, right? At the end of the day, always, and you're missing things, don't you? You miss something every time somebody calls you the next day or a week later saying, hey, what about this? What happened here? It's in my daily report. Well, guess what? It's not. You're rushed all the way through that. Now, the AI workflow, this AI workflow that we're going to introduce, it catches it up in seconds. You put it into Procore, send it on, and you're done. Use your voice command on your phone. You get fully structured sentences. Nothing's missed, and it's all right there in plain English, black and white for everybody to read. Take raw notes, just take what you see. Framing at the North Wall going on today. Electrical rough-in units 2 and 3, there's a delay on the windows, whatever it might be. And then at the end of the day, drop that into ChatGPT, 2 to 3 seconds, you've got you an answer, copy it, paste it into Procore, send it on, you're going home. Down to RFIs. You write the perfect RFI, but the guy on the other end's an architect that's straight out of college. He doesn't know what he's talking about. He hasn't been in the field. He doesn't know the lingo. You get a kickback, you get an answer, you either don't know what they're talking about or you get a kickback saying, please rewrite the RFI. AI can take this, make it into a language that these guys can understand, and you can send it in seconds. That's a win in every book. Round 3, documentation protection. You lose disputes, you eat costs, you get blamed for things that are wrong. Those are 3 huge problems that I run into all the time with bad documentation. I'll pick up a job every time I pick up a job almost. It's got bad documentation. AI can fix that. It can document everything, and you're not losing these fights anymore because most supers, they didn't run a bad job. They just had a bad documentation job. And that's just the story of construction, right? It's not that way anymore. So let's be real for a second. AI cannot replace a good superintendent. It just can't. AI can't walk the job. It can't manage the subs. It can't solve the field problems that you're doing in real time. But what it will do is replace the slow superintendents. It will replace the disorganized superintendents. It will replace the guys doing everything manually. And if that's you, just get in on this channel and follow me because I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you bring this in. It's not hard. It's just a different way of thinking. And the advantage is the reports are done in seconds. The RFIs are done faster and cleaner. And your documentation is almost pristine. And that's what you're looking for at the end of the job. At the end of the day, save these companies time. You're going to save your company time. You're going to save your company money. And when everything's saving money like that, you're looking like a rock star out there. So those are the 3 run-throughs that I see every day. Tell me, be honest, who's running a better job? Tell me in the comments. Is it AI? Is it the old school superintendent that's got everything written down that only he knows and he understands? Because I think those guys are going to get replaced if they don't evolve. And I'm here to help them evolve because those are the guys that have been doing this and they know how to do this, and they're the guys that we need to keep.